As you can see, I've got my little chef hat here and an apron and yeah, a knife. That's it. We'll be kind of cooking class. Not sure what I'll be cooking, but I think it'll be quite interesting to see how the Vietnamese cook and what kind of spices or ingredients they use to make the food. So this is kind of like a setup.
The first one we cut carrot, body julienne. And when you mince it, be careful with your finger, huh?
Next is onions.
And then use mince it too. When you smash like this, it's easy
Garlic,
for you chop it and it has strong flavor. When you smashing, cut it in half
shallots.
Smash it up. And then you mince it too. And then you just
spring onions. So tapioca starch, quite similar to bun look. That's sugar right there. So half spoon of sugar. The lime inside with the sugar. It's quite interesting. Love. Oh my god.
And then on your table,
so
you
cool.
can see I put the
Fish sauce and water there. This is the sauce. The chopped chili and garlic. The rice flour and the tapioca starch. Now let's put in the water. 3 ladles of water.
Yeah, 3 ladles of the water and mix
1, 2, 3. I just add a little bit of oil and just a bit of salt.
pinch of salt.
Okay. And
Everyone in our liquid, you give me the ladle too.
So the shallots and just kind of like stir fry it. Minced pork. In with the carrots in, along with the pork.
Yeah, more pepper if you want.
Beautiful pepper.
10 minutes later.
Salt and pepper.
Seasoning already?
The onions are in.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Our table chopstick, huh?
Spring onions in. There we go, all done. Just leave it in the middle there for the pancake mix to come in.
Roll.
Whoa.
You roll. You can see that? And then we get the liquid from here. Put in here and you pull it back here. Keep rolling many times until you can't see any right. It's perfect. Sometimes you can see we add serving inside and rolling, make tofu. You see any rice inside
That's
anymore?
all has been grinded.
No more, right?
No more rice.
Push and pour it in the middle. From the middle you go 1, 2, and 3. You finish in the middle.
Nice.
We use the lid for covering. Waiting only 30 seconds. Now when you slide gently and slide and release, slow down and go like that. You can see. And second time, 1/3 of the cake, put it in. Play at the end, very important for your cake link on that, not point down, and then you roll it outside.
Now we have the base and it's rolling time.
Yeah, rolling.
Roll.
Done.
And this
Put
is
a
the
little
sauce
bit
that
chili
I
sauce
just
on
did
the
you for.
top. And then we have fried shallot, crispy onion.
Fried shallots. Nice.
This is steamed rice paper roll, or maybe we call it.
Good enough. Okay. The consistency is really thick because it has the tapioca starch, which is making really thick, as you can see. She showed me. And I'm gonna put this here down to that stove, and she's gonna do exactly what she said. Well, I'll try it anyway. We'll see how we go.
Slide underneath. Slow down. You okay? Very thin, so let's slow down. Play at the end. Flip over. And roll. Don't push. When you push it, will break it. Because, you keep rolling. This one is so thin, so that when you roll, you keep rolling. You don't push it.
It's rolling time. Let's see, ready to go. Try to roll. Oh, it's very sticky. Well, I made a hole in my rice paper, so By the way, meat is meat. Okay. I completely messed it up, but you know what? I've got all the ingredients. I've got the rice paper. What do you want? Just eat it. Here we go. I had too much meat on the side because it couldn't fit in the. Wow, that is so good. I think I can make this at home. The fish sauce is the winner.
You twist around.
Oh, that was the rice from before.
Yeah, and little half in the middle. Beans brown on the shrimp side, but with beans brown, don't put it too much, huh?
Sure.
Now rice meal come in. Rice meal.
You add a little bit of turmeric.
Okay, second oil, beans brown, so rice come in. Okay, only one side.
Fix that. Careful. And I guess just put it here like that. There we go. This banh siu, the pancake, as good as it looks, it's not done yet. They still have to come with the rice paper and then kind of roll it again and dip it in the sauce. The rice paper I'm going to use to roll the banh siu. And roll.
And that's it, the beans brown. We go in this.
Roll. And food time.
To keep safe for your stomach, so that we go in this with hot water first. Yes.
Oh, it's so good. You just bean sprout in the pots. That's for the next dish. The beef noodle soup.
We grilled on the fire before.
Ginger, cinnamon stick and star anise. The veggie broth was before. This is the beef and a lot of condiments like lime and chili.
Caesar, cut it long enough. One on the
That's
top.
the beef on top, raw beef.
Maximum 2 minutes in the broth, huh?
Oh, there we go. Oh, that's cooking the beef straight away. The lime,
when you enjoy that,
garlic
you have this
oil,
sweet
pepper,
and
chili, basil. More food, third round. Pho. Good. So the mung
Look at
beans.
that. This is the mung bean, huh?
Ah, cassava.
What's it? Tapioca stick.
Tapioca
Yeah,
stick.
that's one to get the tapioca stick. You put it inside and keep cooking around 10 to 15 minutes.
It's dessert, mung bean, and they put
Yeah, and everyone, coconut cream is okay for
coconut
you, right?
cream.
Yeah. Let's see the peanut.
And that's dessert, the mung bean with coconut cream and peanut on the top. It's very nice to see how the Vietnamese does their cooking with very different spices and flavors than other countries. Peanut makes a huge difference.